Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Indian Hotels Company. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Indian hotels with a price target of Rs 679. Management targets double-digit revenue growth, momentum to sustain over the next 2 years with RevPAR expected to grow in double digits, new business to grow over by 30% and double-digit increase in room portfolio. Contribution of management fees, capital light model, is expected to go up from 14% to 20% in the coming years. Indian Hotel is planning to do capex of Rs 2,500 crore over the next 3 years toward renovation of existing assets, building of new properties and upgradation of technology and software. The company's endeavor would be to target dividend payout ratio in the range of 20 to 40% of PAT of a particular year. The stock trades at 27 times FY25 and 23 times FY26 EV by EBITDA respectively. Next we cover Ramco Cements. Our analyst has a buy rating on Ramco Cement with a price target of Rs 1010, considering its strong earnings growth profile over FY24 to FY26. Ramco had reported a higher than estimated standalone revenue, aided by strong volume beat for Q4. However, operational profitability missed, led by weak realization. Management remains on track to expand clinker and cement capacities to 19 MTPA and 26 MTPA by Q4. Capex guidance for FY25 has been lowered to Rs 1,200 crore from Rs 1,700 crore. The company expects the demand environment to remain healthy in its region of operations, although the cement pricing environment remains a key monitorable.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.